Matrix diagrams are powerful tools used to visualize and evaluate complex relationships between multiple groups of information. Matrix diagrams can help you visually process a great deal of information quickly and efficiently. On the screen now is an example of a matrix diagram. The mathematical definition of a matrix is a rectangular array set out by rows and columns, like you see here. This example, in fact, is a very special type of matrix diagram called as the RACI Matrix, pronounced as RACI Matrix. Such a matrix diagram helps identify the people who are responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for a list of activities. This is, in fact, the simplest and most common form of a matrix diagram, and it is called as a L-shaped diagram because you can see the heading here makes a L shape. It is used when you want to compare two groups of items or one group against itself. However, there are other more complex forms of matrix diagrams, and we will have a quick look at them in the next slide. There are advanced forms of matrix diagrams used to compare more than two groups of information. The Y-shaped matrix is used to compare three groups of information. For example, when you want to compare product features against development cost and against security. The C-shaped matrix is another variation which is also used to compare three groups of information, but it is used when you have a larger data set. The T-shaped matrix is yet another variation, also used to compare three groups, but where two of these groups are unrelated to each other but have to be compared against a common comparison list. It is essentially two L-shaped matrices connected by a single list. Finally, we have the X-shaped matrix here, which is used to compare four groups of items. An example of this matrix is when you want to compare features, products, prices, and market shares. And with that, I will conclude this lesson. Matrix diagrams are an extremely popular tool, and you will already be using it in a wide range of applications. We have also seen the advanced forms of matrix diagrams in this lesson. And with this lesson, we are now concluding the tools and techniques used in plan quality management process. In the next lesson, we will witness the most important output of this process called as the quality management plan artifact. So, I will see you there.